Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and a fantastic day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to find stocks before they explode up. Now we don't want it to explode going down, we want it to explode going up. Now there's a lot of factors and a lot of things that people do to kind of predict the market. Now, one of the best ways is to have good stock scanners. So we're going to be talking about the stock scanners I use, how I find them before they explode. But before we jump into the video here, there's two things I need you to do. The very first one is go ahead and like the video. Like it, do what you guys do, like, subscribe, comment. But the second thing, now this one's for you guys. Right now, I literally just created a free Facebook group. So you guys can go in, ask questions, and it's a peer-to-peer investing platform. So what that means is you're going to be asking questions to people who've done it before. You're going to be asking questions to me, my team, and everybody. Go ahead, that will be down below. That'll probably be like the second link down below. But let's jump into the video of how to find stocks before they explode. We'll see you up on the computer here, so let's jump into it. Bam! Alrighty guys, so we are up and loaded here on the Moomoo trading platform. So right now with my small account here, we're trying to build it up. Now we're going to be trying to find stocks like CTIB, stocks that are squeezing, stocks that are literally killing it. Now we did take 2 trades today. We took a trade on LLEX, didn't work out, cut my losses early here, so let's pull that one up so you guys can see it. So this stock kind of continued to peak down, didn't like how it didn't really have any follow through, so hopped out of it, 20-cent loss, no big deal. Now the next stock here that I traded was CTIB. CTIB is a stock that was killing it today. So as we go ahead and find where I bought, why I bought, well, I bought in all the way at $1.36. So this stock's at almost $4 right now. And how would I have known that this stock all the way back here would have squeezed up? Would have squeezed up here? Well, there's a couple factors here. Float, volume, and your good scanners. So obviously, yeah, I only made $9 on the day. Well, this is my small account here. I did make a little mistake here. Instead of buying 200 shares, I bought 20. A little typo on my part that kind of cost me roughly $80 or $90, but that stuff happens because I wanted to get in quick. I typed it in real fast. I didn't have it preset, and that cost me a couple of dollars. Now, on a small account here of only like $600, I'm trying to get in and out of these positions quick and with a little risk as possible. Little risk, so getting good orders, good executions, and overall not losing money. That's the goal for traders, not losing money. So what I did here is I have an external monitor here. Now this is where I keep all of my scanners. So as you guys can see, I have this scanner here. All right, so let's make it bigger so you guys can see what I have. So I have this AI monitor. This is very, very, very similar to a Trade Idea scanner. Trade Ideas cost upwards of $220 a month. This is completely free. It's a free real-time scanner. So this stock scanner is real-time scanning the market, and I have it preset for up quickly, rush up, and a couple of other smaller ones here, mostly those two. So once you guys actually get this up here, it's very simple on how to add it. All you got to do is go to your toolbox here and go to AI monitor right there. Once you guys click that, you guys will have the exact same thing that I do. But if that's, say you want to have one that's going up, like scanning for stocks going up, and the other for stocks scanning down, it's very similar. Click this little gear icon. This is going to be the settings. So you guys can go ahead and instead of having it buy, click down. Get rid of the rush up. You still want the volume going up just because that's how you kind of get in and out of trades is with volume. So we can go ahead, click down. Obviously, we can still do a ton of other ones here if you guys want, but click save. Now these are all going to be the stocks going down. What happened when I actually traded that stock here, as you guys can see, these are all my orders. So we can see buy 20 shares on accident. Obviously, I could have continued to add into my position, But what I didn't want to do is risk more than 1%. And I know that if I would have gone all in on this stock, there could have been a downside. And this downside could have cost me $100. I didn't want that. I wanted to get in and out at that price point. So you guys can see in at 136, out at 183. Obviously, the stock went up to $3. But for those of you that don't know, if you're continuing to hold this stock over $3, the risk goes up. When the risk goes up with a small account like mine, obviously if I was using my main account, I would have definitely continued to average into my position and probably ended up holding anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 shares. But since this is my account, I'm building up this account on Moomoo because I want to prove to you guys that it's possible. You don't need thousands of dollars to trade. You just need a couple $100 in smart trading. Now, so if that's, say you're like, Carter, I don't like the AI, which I don't get why you want it, because they have all the stocks that are moving. Look at this. You guys can literally click on these and see the stocks moving. So you're like, okay, Carter, I don't like that. I don't like that. Well, here's what else you can do. You can create your own scanner here. On Moomoo, they have the capability of your scanner. So create a scanner here. You guys can go ahead. There's going to be a link down below explaining my scanner, why I use my scanner. But if that's it, you're like, I don't want to use that. All you got to do, pull up this, click percent change, make it pointing down. You're going to be the stocks that are, you're going to see the stocks that are moving. Second one down, CTIB, boom. You would have been notified probably at like 30% because the market's actually doing pretty well today. So what you can do is double click that and boom, it's loaded up here. So let's go back here so you guys can see how to do it. So it's not too complicated. Just click screener, make sure you're on yours. And all you got to do is just make sure the arrow on percent change is pointed down. So you're going to see all the stocks that are gapping up and looking strong. Now, obviously, you guys can change these out here. So if let's say you wanted to move volume, you can move that closer. You guys can get rid of some, go to list settings, add some, delete some. And overall, make it simple for you. I like to have quite a bit of things here. I like to make it a little, not overwhelming, but I like to have a lot of information on the stock just because before I click on, let's say I want to look at CYTR. I'm looking at it here. The price is roughly 84 cents. The change is 35 cents. It's up 72%. The volume is 1.2 million. So I know this stock has a ton of volume. It's most likely a lower float stock. So this stock would be a good candidate. We click on it. Look at, we have a good overall trend direction of going up. Looking at it all the way in here, these are what you call pretty much volume losers. This is when you get these little slashes, this is when there's not enough volume to create a full candlestick here. And that will overall kind of not look so strong. And you guys can tell, look at the order book. The order book on the level 2, there's nothing going on. There's nothing. So this stock, you don't need it. As we go back here, you guys can really use this and develop a really strong strategy. So what also I like to do here, if that's say you don't want to create your own, just do the percent change, point it down. But once you figure out something, I like to change the price. I like to change it anywhere from $1 to roughly 15. The reason why is because these are the stocks that are moving, to be honest. These are the stocks where you can capitalize on your share size and overall make more money. So once you find something, put in a scanner that you like, click save, put in a strategy name, and now go to your strategy here, and you guys can literally find stocks that are moving. So you guys can do the same thing just like that. So now these stocks are a little more defined and it's a more filtered search for your overall scanning capability. So really, that's how I find stocks before they explode. I find it on here when they get one of the rushes or one of the volume scanners hit it. Then I want to make sure that there is some sort of volume on it. So 13.1 million shares traded. That is crazy. A lot of things are going on with this stock here. Now we do have life that's looking good here, but kind of went flat. But overall, that's how I find stocks before they explode. I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys learned something. And if you do, there's going to be a free stock down below just by signing up. You guys can literally get a free stock by signing up down below with Moomoo. Moomoo's a great company. Now, one of the things that I love about it, you get free level 2. You get a free AI monitor that is literally like trade ideas, but it's free. It's literally free. I don't understand why you wouldn't at least get it, try it out, test it. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you did, drop subscribe down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Have a good one.